Join us on our visit to Casa Marina Resort in Key West. If you haven't been to Key West, when you think of it, you might think of sandy beaches. However, that isn't the case for most of Key West. Although there's a great beachy vibe and beautiful azure water, there are hardly any beaches, especially at the resorts and hotels. But the Casa Marina is one of the few resorts that does have a beach area. This resort originally opened its doors in 1920, and the concept was conceived by Henry Flagler. It's beautiful and very historic, but it also underwent a major renovation in 2023, so it has all the modern amenities. We stayed in a king bedroom suite. It has a separate living area with television, couch, and a mini bar area. The couch pulls out into a bed, and that's where our kids slept. If you followed us before, you know that we like to have a separate sleeping area for the kids and the adults because then everybody gets more rest. This room also has a small patio area. Our particular patio had no view of anything special, but there are suites with patios that do have views or are near the pool. After you go through the living room, you head into the master bedroom. First, you encounter a large closet area. It really doesn't have a ton of usable storage space besides the space itself. It turned out to be a good place to keep our million suitcases and hang up our wet swimsuits along the hanging bar, but there aren't a ton of hangers and there's no shelving or other storage space. There's one small bathroom in this suite. It is up to date and adequate, but it is not very large, and it also doesn't have hardly any storage space. Here we also show the living room with the couch bed pulled out so you can see how the room looks in use. If you want to visit the Casa Marina, contact us. We're travel agents who never charge a fee. We'd love to help you plan your trip, and we specialize in luxury and helping families have the most luxurious trips that they can. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.